Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, as you all know, we have completed chapter number 7, money. Today we are going to start our chapter number 8, measurement. Okay children? So our chapter number 8 is measurement, and we are going to discuss today length. Okay? So children, first of all, we should know what is measurement. If we would like to evaluate, if we would like to measure anything, so we need such a specific measurement to measure, to mark anything. Okay? So the mathematics having its own measurement, it's having length measurement, it's having depth measurement. Okay? So everything can be measured by the measurement. But today's topic is length. So first of all, I would like to tell you, in our previous or ancient time, or you can say this is non-standard measurement of length, we just use our fingers to measure anything. We just use our span to how much span the length is there. So span we are using, and after that some cubes are using to measure the length. But actually children, this is not, you can not rely on that, because every person having their own hand span, their own fingers height. Some persons are having their short fingers or short hands, so the measurement can be differed. So that is why the mathematics has introduced some unit of measurement of length. So children, today we are going to discuss about these units, that how can we measure a length. Okay, length it means the lambai. So how can we measure a length, children? So children, today we are going to study that. So children, the standard unit of length is meter. Okay children. So now the standard unit of length is meter. Okay, meter. Okay children, is a, you can write is a meter. So we can measure length in a meter. Suppose if the bottle is there, if we want to measure the length of this bottle, so we can measure in the meter. If this cloth is there, so if we would like to measure this cloth, how much this long, so this can be measured in the meter. Okay, so the length of any object, if we will want to measure, we can measure in the meter. So children, the standard unit of length is a meter. Now here, if you will see in the book, the girl is measuring her height. Here you can see by this length, and it is written in the meter also. So the length of a girl can be measured by the meter scale. Okay, so measure her height by the meter scale. So meter scale. Okay, so we can measure any object's length with the help of the meter scale. Okay, Children, now there are different kind of meter scale. You can see it is available in the market. So we are going to discuss about meter scale. What is the thing it is written on the meter scale and how can we measure in a meter, children. So children, let's start. I am going to draw a meter scale on the board. You can see this and you can able to understand how to measure a length. So children, I am going to draw a meter rod. Okay, a meter rod. Here is a meter rod, and in this meter rod you can see that it is given in the centimeter. Okay, so here children, we will see the meter rod first, the 0, and now a few lines are there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and this is 12, children. Now children, if you will see this meter rod, you can see there are 12 numbers and each number having a particular gap, children. So this is called meter rod and it's having a 12 numbers. So here children, you can see it is divided into 100 equal parts. The length of each part represent 1 centimeter. So here children, each part represent a centimeter. So therefore 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here you can see there are a few lines which are given. It is divided into 100 equal parts. So that is why we will say 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay children. So in 100 centimeters, because these 12 numbers are divided into 100 equal parts. So that is why we can say that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, children. Now we will see that the short form of meter is m and short form of centimeter is cm. So we can measure these, we can write in the short form meter in m and centimeter in cm. Okay children. So here children, now we will see this. Here I am going to draw a small ruler. Okay. So a small ruler. First of all, you just write down 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here a ruler I am going to draw. This is the ruler, and here you can see this is the meter ruler, and here you can see this ruler used for measuring small lengths and object, has centimeter on one side and inches on the other side. Okay, so here you can see centimeter at one side and okay, there is centimeter, it is divided into 100 equal parts. Okay children, Okay children, now here you can see it has centimeter on one side and inches on the other side, and here you can see inches are there, that is 1, okay, and here 2, and here 3, and 4, 5, likewise you can see in a ruler. Okay, so inches, it is in the you can see it is inches, and this is children centimeter, and you can see any scale. So this is the, you can say it can be with the help of this it can be measured only and only a small object children. Okay children, so now, so children, a small length can be measured in centimeter, but big length if we will going to measure, so we will use meter. Okay, so now children, I would like to tell you that centimeter is again, centimeter is again divided into 10 equal part, into 10 equal parts. Okay children, into 10 equal parts, each part measure, each part measures 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter children. Okay, 1 millimeter or 1 mm. So this is the short form. So here we just talking about the meter, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Now here children, this centimeter, when we are going to measure a small unit, so what we will see? We will see that centimeter also can be divided into 10 equal parts, and that is why, so each part measure 1 millimeter. So this is called 1 millimeter or 1 mm. So the centimeter also can be divided into 10 equal parts, so that is called millimeter. Okay, meter, centimeter and millimeter. The smallest unit of the measurement is the millimeter. Okay, and after that we just move to that higher than millimeter, so this is centimeter, and after that, and we can measure the big thing with the help of the meter. Okay, so children, that is how we can see the hierarchy of the length. Okay, now children, do we measure the distance between Delhi and Mumbai in cm, centimeter or meter? No, it's quite impossible for us. So that is why we measure distance between Delhi to Mumbai in kilometers, because it is too far. Meter can be measured in the 50 meter or somehow, but if the distance in the 1000 meters or 2000 meters, so we cannot measure. So it will be measured in the kilometers. So now children, here you can see this is kilometers. Now it can be measured in the kilometer. So kilometer is also a measurement of length. Okay children, now here you can see, so long distance are measured in kilometers, Okay, so अगर हमें यहाँ से इलाहाबाद जाना है या हमें कानपुर जाना है, सो वी कैन मेजर दीज लेंथ to Varanasi to Prayagraj or Varanasi to New Delhi. So it can be measured in the kilometers. So what is the unit of kilometers? So children, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So children, here you can see 1 kilometer equal to 1000 kilo. We are just talking about the kilometer. How can we measure a bigger or biggest length? So it can be measured in the kilometers. And kilometers, the unit of kilometers is 1000 meter equal to 1 meter. So if we will see the distance of Varanasi to Prayagraj or Varanasi to Delhi, so it can be measured in the kilometer. Okay children. So here today we have discussed what we have discussed. The smallest unit of the meter is millimeter, then centimeter, then meter, and then the biggest unit is kilometer. Okay children. So here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter children. So children, we will write first. First is kilometer for long distance, for long measurement, okay, and after that meter, and after that centimeter, and then millimeter. This is 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So here 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Now here centimeter having 10 equal parts, that is called millimeter. So the smallest unit of measurement of length, that is millimeter, then centimeter, then meter, and the biggest measurement unit is kilometer. Okay children. So you just write down in your copy also. Now after that we will learn how to conversion of units of length. Okay. So complete this in your copy, and now we are going to discuss that how to convert of units of length. Okay. So our topic is conversion of units of length children. Okay, conversion of units of length children. Now with the help of the relations between meters, centimeter and kilometers and meters obtained above, we will be able to convert to centimeter and kilometer. So with the help of these formulas that we have already discussed, that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. And after that we have discussed that centimeter can be divided into equally 10 parts, so that is called millimeter. So that is how we can convert also on the basis of this, because we know that how much centimeter become a meter and how much meter will become a kilometer. So that we have already discussed children. So here on the basis of that we are going to learn that conversion of units of length children. So here children, you can see to convert meters into centimeter, to convert meters into centimeter into centimeters, what we will do? We know the formula 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So as we have already know 1 meter equal to 100 cm. It means centimeter. We have already done this. Now children, what we will do? So to convert meters into centimeter, what we will do? We multiply number of the meters by 100. So here children, to convert, you just write down in the copy because this is important for you. So to convert meters into centimeters, what we will do? We multiply number of meters what we will do? Numbers of meter by 100. So we are going to convert meters into centimeter. जब हमें convert करना होता है मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हमें करना पड़ेगा कि to convert meters into centimeter, we multiply number of meters by 100. Because why? Because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. That is why we will do the same thing. So what we will do to convert meters into centimeter, we are just going to multiply by 100. So here, I think this is clear. So we know this is important that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That is why we convert, when we are going to convert meters into centimeter, so that is why we are going to multiply by 100 whatever the number given in the that meter. So that is why we will do like that. So children, this is you have to learn, and we will practice in our next video also that how to convert units of length, how to convert meters into centimeters. First of all, that is most important part, that we should know this, we should learn this, we must learn this, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That is why whatever the numbers will be given in the meter, we are going to multiply with the 100. Then we will get the answer in the centimeter. So children, this is must that we should learn this, we should practice it, and we will do our next video. On the basis of that, we will start learning how to convert meters into centimeters. Okay, so we will solve some problems in our next video, children. So be practice everything, it is clear to you. You just learn this. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and here 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. And after that, what we have learned today? We have learned today that 1 centimeter can be divided into 10 equal parts. That part is called millimeter. So children, I think that's all for today. We will meet again in our next video. Learn this, because this is the important thing to learn. On the basis of that, we can solve questions. Okay children, so we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.